How did you go with that? Did you manage to add the play pop sound? Fantastic. All right, let's test it out again. So I'm going to press on the green flag and I'm going to watch my balloon float around, and I'm going to click on it and try and catch it to make it pop. Now, you'll notice that it's moving really, really, really quickly. And that comes down to this 1 second time limit that I've given the block to move. So if I wanted to move a little bit slower, I would change this 1 by clicking on it and changing the number in there to be a higher number or give it a higher value. And so that'll actually slow down how the balloon moves. So I've just changed it from a 1 to a 4. I'm going to click on the white space and then press on my green flag. And you can see now the balloon is moving a lot slower and it's easier for me to catch it. So you might decide that you want to make your game really, really, really tricky and you want to make the balloon move really, really, really quickly, so it's harder for the person playing the game to catch the balloon. So I'm going to give it a value of 1 second again, and again it's moving quite quickly. If I wanted to make it even faster still, I could probably even make it 0.5 of a second or half a second. And then you can see how quick that is. And if I wanted to slow it down a little bit, let's make it 2 seconds and see how that moves. So it's just a matter of playing with it and trying to find the right number. I find anywhere between 1 and 3 is probably a good speed or a good amount of time for the balloon to move. Once you've done that, we're going to now build our code up a little bit more by adding on the fun part of the balloon disappearing when it's clicked. So let's have a look back at my example. When I click on the yellow balloon, it pops, appears, and then disappears and then reappears. So let's try the green one. Pop, disappears, and it should reappear. Purple pops, disappears, and there it is, it reappears.